Welcome back to This Week in Agribusiness. Now, if you are a person who puts up hay for your operation, you probably spend a lot of hours in that cab and you might be looking for an upgrade. Well, we've got one for you. Check out the VERMEER self-propelled baler that was on display at the Farm Progress virtual experience.
The VERMEER ZR5 1200 self-propelled baler. The ZR5 1200 self-propelled baler makes quick work of a field while offering an unprecedented level of comfort and maneuverability. Unlike tractor baler combinations, this zero-turn machine is built tough and specifically designed for one job: baling hay and other forages. Unprecedented ride quality is achieved through patent-pending suspension technology. Operators experience a smoother, more comfortable ride with the cab uniquely positioned over the suspension. The ZR5 1200 cab was built with wide visibility in mind, with a camera to see both the baler pickup and rear view. Automating parts of the baling process, the ZR5 1200 aims to reduce the number of steps to make a bale. When in automatic mode, the ZR5 1200 control system, paired with a hydraulic drive system, can make real-time adjustments based on field and crop conditions, and can even open and close the tailgate automatically. The ZR5 1200's innovative design, coupled with its 200 horsepower engine, helps achieve maximum benefits in hay operations. This includes rallying at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour in the field and 30+ miles per hour when in transport mode. The bale chamber can be removed for maintenance in a matter of minutes, for convenient access to the bale chamber for routine maintenance. Get ready to let the ZR5 1200 change the way you put up hay.
Well, thank you, Max. And folks, if you want to watch that video again or see any one of the 100 products that were on display at this year's Farm Progress Show virtual experience, just go to farmprogressshow.com and you can watch them all as many times as you want.